In this thought-provoking video, we explore the hypothetical scenario of all clocks across the world suddenly stopping. We dive into the possible implications of this event and examine how it would affect our daily lives, society, and the world as a whole. Join us on this journey as we unravel the mysteries behind a world without time. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the realms of imagination and curiosity. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey to explore a world where time stands still. What if all clocks in the world suddenly stopped ticking? Let's find out. Implications of clocks stopping. As the hands of every clock freeze in time, chaos and confusion seize the world. Without clocks, the measurement of time becomes unreliable, throwing our daily lives into disarray. Schedules and appointments lose their meaning, resulting in missed opportunities, disrupted transportation systems, and confusion amongst individuals. Impact on society. Society heavily relies on time to function smoothly. Schools, workplaces, and public services follow strict time schedules. With clocks at a standstill, the entire social structure faces significant disruption. Students struggle to attend classes, businesses face operational challenges, and essential services experience shortages due to disordered routines. Psychological effects. Beyond societal disruptions, the absence of time measurement profoundly affects human psychology. Concepts of past, present, and future become blurred, creating a sense of timelessness. Humans rely on time to plan, reminisce, and progress. Without this anchor, individuals might feel lost, leading to psychological distress and existential dilemmas. Appreciation of moments. However, amidst the chaos, a world without time also offers unique opportunities. With no deadlines or limitations imposed by time, people may gain a newfound appreciation for moments and live in the present. They could truly savor experiences, connect with others deeply, and engage in spontaneous activities without the constraints of time. In a world without time, the conventional measures of productivity lose significance. People would have the freedom to redefine the meaning of achievement and success. Without the constant pressure to keep up with the clock, individuals might find alternative ways to measure their accomplishments and focus on personal growth and fulfillment. Instinctive rhythms. Human beings possess inherent biological rhythms that are deeply interconnected with the natural world. In a timeless world, these internal clocks, known as circadian rhythms, regain importance. People may become more attuned to nature's cycles, sleep when tired, and wake when rested. This reconnection with our natural rhythms has the potential to enhance overall well-being and health. As we envision a world where clocks have come to a halt, we realize the intricate role time plays in our lives. While it brings order and structure, time can also be a source of stress and limitation. A world without ticking clocks would undoubtedly plunge us into an initial state of confusion and disorder. However, it could also offer a chance to question our priorities, connect with others on a deeper level, and rediscover our own natural rhythms. Let this serve as a reminder to treasure every ticking moment and make the most of the time we have. Until next time, keep exploring and never stop pondering the infinite possibilities that lie before us.